Long email chains. Hours wasted waiting for replies. Confusion that never quite gets solved. For bank teams, these old habits slow progress, and teamwork suffers. Imagine if updates could be shared in seconds, not days. That's where Agile Principle 6 comes in. Promote face-to-face conversations. The banking world adopted daily huddles, a simple shift with powerful results. Teams gather every morning. Tasks, questions, and challenges go straight on the table. Instead of typing and reading long emails, employees speak up, listen, and solve problems on the spot. Delays shrink, mistakes drop. Team members grow more connected and energized, with clear goals for the day ahead. Communication is faster, and issues get tackled before they can snowball. By embracing daily huddles, bank teams move from confusion to clarity, unlocking new levels of trust and efficiency. Agile isn't just an IT thing, it's a game changer for every team. Ready to make your bank's teamwork stronger and your clients' experience smoother? Daily huddles are the starting point.